All right, what's going on, friends? In this video, I'm just going to be showing you where you can grease your Cub Cadet. A lot of these Cub Cadets, if you have anything in like the 1000 series Cub Cadet, it should be really similar, or even if you have something a little different, this will definitely give you a couple places to check. There is not too many places you got to grease this Cub Cadet. I'm going to do a couple places here around the tire and a little bit on the steering, and that's it. So all you're going to need is a grease and maybe just some all-purpose grease. And I just have a little bit of white lithium grease. It comes in a spray bottle like this. I'll throw a couple of these things down in the description also if you want to check that out. And you don't have to have your mower up on ramps. I just happen to have it up on ramps right now because I just got done changing the blades and sharpening them. And I thought maybe it would make this a little bit easier, especially when I'm making a video. Let me move this ramp. And if you also like these ramps, I do have a video on how I built these ramps here on my channel. If you're not up on ramps, you're good, but the nice thing is I can put that deck down a lot further. I'm going to try to get up under there and clean the steering mechanism a little bit, and then grease that up. Let me show you where you got to grease the front tires. All right, there is a Zerk fitting right up inside there. You might have to spin your tire a little bit. There's another Zerk fitting right here, right there. And same place on the other one. You have one down there on the tire where it spins, and then you have one up here for the steering. We're going to grease them up real quick. I'll just grease one side, show you how I do it, and then it's the same for the other side. So I recommend taking a paper towel and try to clean them off a little bit. And you're going to take your grease gun with your all-purpose grease. Just put a couple squirts of that in there. You might. Oh, there we go. Now, right there, I seen it shoot out the top, so I knew I was good to go. Now you can. Now, I stopped when I start seeing it shoot out the top here. Do this one real quick. That should only take maybe 1 or 2 squirts. I started seeing that start to ooze out right here at the top, right here. Right here at the top, I could see it oozing out. Let's see if I can show you. Yeah, right there. You can see it there better. All right, now right here is where your steering is. So I'm going to try to clean that up a little bit and just spray some of that lithium grease on there. And then I might have one more little spot that I can grease here after I get that done. Don't be blinded by my bald head. This is not super important. Just try to get that cleaned up a little bit. I mean, if you're only mowing like a half an acre, and if you're mowing a whole bunch of lawns, maybe you might want to be more picky, but oh, here's another tip. Glad I didn't get any on there, but you might want to put a paper towel right there so you don't get it on your belts. You don't want your belts to start slipping. And when I get this down off these ramps, I'll just turn a few times and that'll spread that grease around a little bit. I'm going to get some of that all-purpose grease here, I think, and just wipe a little bit of that on there too. You don't even have to have that spray on if you want. You could just use that all-purpose, put it on your finger. There, just like that. All right, it does say in the manual, I think, to maybe shoot a little grease down in here in these front tires of your deck. Maybe shoot some in your rear tires there too if you want. A little bit on both sides of there. I think I'm going to put a little bit on these back ones also. All right, just do the other side, your other tires, and that's about it on this Cub Cadet. Here you go. All right, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and check out one of my other videos I have on the same lawnmower. God bless and have a great summer. You're in the way, baby. You're in the way.